Hey guys, it's Ian from Optimize. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a super admin to your HubSpot account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. It doesn't matter what tab you're under in your HubSpot account. What you need to do is go up to this gear icon, select it, and then go into users and teams down here under account setup. From this point, all you need to do is simply select create user, and then you will add the user. So we're going to say Ian got Gmail. And from here, we will just select next. And we will give them super admin access. Usually this is what an agency would need if they're coming into your CRM and they're wanting to build reports and tie any of their ad information back into the CRM. They'd want this. And then simply from here, you're just going to say next. And then you're going to want to don't select this button. They're going to want to receive that information via their email, and then you just click send, and then from there this person has been invited. And you also have the option to give them a link if you would like to do that as well, and share that perhaps in a Slack or in a Microsoft Teams. And then you just select done, and you are done. So if you have any questions, be sure to reach out in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them, and I will see you in the next video.